Inspector Mills, I'd like to tell you about a girl I saw at a party just the other night in Beverly Hills. Inspector Mills, I hope you find her and it don't take long. Watch my feelings for her growing strong in a war of will. Inspector Mills.